Alright, so today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money from TikTok. So if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Simoiz. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop amazing video like this, you won't miss out. Alright, so I want you to go to your TikTok app. Make sure you have TikTok app on your phone. Click on it. Alright, so once it's open, click on your profile. Alright, so clicking on your profile, click on the horizontal lines at the top of your profile. Click on it. Go to setting and privacy. Alright, so you will see all this stuff here. Okay, so I want you to click on balance. Click on balance to even see how much you have in your TikTok account. Alright, so this is what I have in my TikTok account right now. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on it. So I'll click on it to view my balance. Alright, so this is how I earn the money. So you can see this is how I earn the money. Alright, so now I have like 3 point something dollar. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on withdraw. Alright, so I'm going to click on withdraw. Then it's going to take me to another page. Alright, I want you to pay a very good attention to this tutorial and you will withdraw your money successfully from TikTok. Alright, please, if you find this video useful, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, kindly click on it, please. Alright, so I'm going to click on add payment method. Alright, so here now I have like one option because in Nigeria TikTok don't pay Nigerians. Alright, so even this payment method that is here, you can only use international PayPal to get it. So if you have somebody that is using PayPal, you can use the person PayPal to run it. But this is what I'm going to do. As a Nigeria, the easiest way for you to withdraw your money is I will just go to the country and region here. I'll click on it, then I'll click on Algeria. Alright, then I'll click on done. Alright, so they are going to bring other options. You can see we have Payoneer there, so I'm going to click on Payoneer. Alright, so I'm going to click on Payoneer. Make sure you have, okay, I'm going to verify this particular code. They are sending a code to my phone number, so I have to put the code here. So this is it. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so I just insert the code now. So I'm going to agree to continue. Alright, I'm going to agree and continue. Alright, so now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put the email to my Payoneer. Alright, so I'm going to click on submit. So right now they want me to sign into my Payoneer. Sign in to connect TikTok creator payout to your Payoneer account. Alright, so here now I'm going to enter this. Alright, then I'll click on. Alright, so you need to click on this to verify as human. So I'm going to click on this. Alright, so then I'll click on sign in. Alright, so they are still going to send a code to me to verify. Alright, so a code is being sent to my phone number. I'm waiting for it. Alright, so I submit the code now. Let's wait and see what happens. Alright, so you can see payout method added successful. Alright, so I'm going to click on done. Alright, so I'm going to click on done right now. Alright, for example, if I want to withdraw my money now, so I'll just click on all and I'll click on withdraw, and I'm going to get this. Alright, so this is it. Withdraw request submitted, pending. It usually take 1 working day to arrive, completed. Alright, so once the money arrives, they will tell me that completed. You can see withdraw amount. This is the amount. Withdraw fee, amount you will receive. Alright, so this is it. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video because a lot of people has been complaining on how to withdraw on TikTok. Alright, so I made this video special for you. Alright, so you can see this is it.